Pisces 2020 horoscope. A look at the year ahead. Pisces horoscope 2020 predicts that when the year rolls around, you will be looking for more action and adventure in your life. You will feel more impulsive, confident, and independent than you have felt in past years. At the same time, you will be more realistic and understand the world around you more. All of these things are bound to bring along some sort of change in your personality. Is 2020 a good year for Pisces? Let's find out. Pisces is the last sign in the Western zodiac, but that doesn't mean that it's any worse than any of the other signs. You are a Pisces if you were born between February 20th and March 20th. Pisces people tend to be highly imaginative and creative. It's sometimes hard for them to come down to earth and be realistic. However, they do make honest and fun friends even though they are also rather independent people. This sign is secretive and selfless, idealistic and intuitive. This sign can make it through anything with just a little bit of imagination, even when it comes to their 2020 horoscope. Pisces 2020 love predictions. Pisces, this year your relationships are bound to be better than they have in past years. Your social life will flourish in 2020. If you are already in a relationship, then things are about to get sweeter. The more optimistic that you are in your social life, the more new and wonderful people you are bound to attract. If you are already in a relationship, then you may make many new friends this year. If you are single, then you are likely to meet a new love or two in 2020. Your social life will be full of joy in 2020. You will also be invited to more events this year. Don't be afraid to express your true self, even when you are in public. Don't feel guilty about yourself, just make friends who accept you as you are. Pisces career prospects for 2020. Working will inspire you to be greater this year in 2020. Pisces, use your natural skills and talents to make yourself stand out at work. If your current job doesn't let you use your skills and talents, then 2020 might even be a good year to try to find a job that does let you do what you're good at. You will get the best results when you are working at a job with maximum enjoyment and minimum pressure. Pisces finance 2020 forecasts. Pisces, you are not likely to focus on money much this year in 2020. This can cause some financial problems this year. When it comes to your budget, it's better to think more logically than creatively. Do your best to avoid frivolous purchases this year. Health horoscope for the Fishes. Pisces zodiac sign may find that they have more energy this year. You might also notice some of your worst habits are affecting your life. It is time to begin taking care of yourself better. Start exercising and stop your bad habits. Don't doubt yourself, but be persistent in these endeavors. 2020 forecasts for Pisces birthdays. 2020 can be great or boring for the Pisces. It all depends on how you see yourself. If you are comfortable with who you are, and if you're okay with acting like yourself no matter where you are or who you are with, then 2020 is sure to be a thrilling year for you.